In this video, I'll show you exactly how to unblock someone on TikTok, step by step. You can follow the same process whether you are using TikTok on your mobile app or in a browser. So let's start. First of all, open TikTok, either in your browser or directly the TikTok app. After opening TikTok, go to your profile. You will find your profile icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap on it and your profile page will open. Now, on your profile screen, look carefully at the top area. Next to the Edit Profile button, you will see a small icon that looks like a gear or a menu button. This is the Settings button. Tap on that button. Now, a new page will open. This is your main settings page. On this screen, you will see different options on the left side if you are using a browser. From here, find and click on Privacy. Once you tap on Privacy, another page will open on the right side or on the next screen. Now scroll a little. Here, you will see an option called Blocked Accounts. This is the place where TikTok shows the complete list of people you have blocked. So, click on Blocked Accounts. After clicking it, a new screen will open. On this screen, you will see all the users that you have blocked in the past. Every blocked account will be listed one by one. Now, find the person you want to unblock. Next to their username, you will see an Unblock button. Simply tap on the Unblock button. And that's it. That person is now unblocked. You can repeat the same steps if you want to unblock more people. One important thing to remember is that after unblocking someone, you will not automatically follow each other again. If you want to see their videos regularly, you may need to follow them again manually. Also, once a person is unblocked, they will be able to view your public profile and your public videos again.